Good morning to all. Grade 2, Subject Max, Chapter 8, Measurement. So, what is meant by measurement? A number that shows the size or amount of something in reference to some standard measurement. I look ahead. Units of length, units of weight, units of capacity. The first one is length. Length is defined as the measurement or distance something from to other. Listen here. Length. What is meant by length? Length is defined as the measurement or distance of something from one end to other. Length is one end to other.
Or distance of something from one end to the other. People use their body parts, such as hands, arms, feet, and their face, to measure things in their environment. Were footspan, handspan, cubit, and stride.
Units of length. The standard unit of measuring length is meter, which can be written as m. The larger length of a building and bed can be measuring using meter. That means m. Then 1 meter is further divided into 10 smaller equal parts, and each part is called a centimeter. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Then smaller lengths like length of a spoon and book can be measured using centimeter, which can also be written as cm. Cm means centimeter. Units of length: the longer distance, that is distance between two cities or towns, is measured using kilometer, which can also be written as km. Km means kilometer. The next one, my practice time 1. Measure the length of these objects. Your pencil end is 11. So our answer is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. And B, it's also measure the length of these objects. Eraser having this eraser end point is 2 centimeter. So our answer is 2 centimeter. Then measure the length of these objects. The third one, the scissor end point is 10 centimeter. So our answer is 10 centimeter. The D part, the spoon end is 8 centimeter. My practice time 2. Select the best estimate. Best estimate means what is the difference between meter and millimeter and also centimeter. Already know that the smaller things are measured millimeter or centimeter. Then longer things is measured meters only. So here question part A, the small things needle, so it is measured centimeter, 3 centimeter. Then B part, it's a truck, 5 meter or 5 centimeter. It is a longer objects, so we denote 5 meter. So our answer is 5 meter. Then C part, 4 meter or 4 centimeter. Select the best estimate. It is a meter or centimeter. It is small things, so it is not centimeter. 4 centimeter. Listen here, it is next. It's a longest object, longer object. So it is a meter. The D part, pencil, 4 meter or 4 centimeter. These smallest things. This denote centimeter only. So our answer part is 4 centimeter. The next one, my practice time 3. Select the unit you will use to measure of each of the objects. Select the unit you will use to measure each of these objects. The first one, A, length of a spoon. First option, kilometer. The second option, meter. The last one is centimeter. It is the smallest objects, so we denote centimeter because the smallest things are measured centimeter only. The next one, length of caterpillar. Our option is kilometer, meter, centimeter. It's the smallest thing, so we denote centimeter. Then C part, height of the building. The height of the building is very longer object, kilometer, meter or centimeter. The longer objects are measuring the meter only. Suppose for the height is 3 meter, then 5 meter, then 10 meter. So it's denote meter only. Then D part, height of a boy. Kilometer, meter, centimeter. The height of the boy is measured centimeter only. Length of a book. It is the smallest things, so it is denote centimeter only. Distance between Delhi and Mumbai. The F questions. Distance between Delhi and Mumbai. First option kilometer, the second one is meter, the last one is centimeter. Distance between Delhi to Mumbai. It is a longer area, so it is denoted kilometer. Delhi to Mumbai is denote kilometer. Next we go to the weight. What is meant by weight? Heaviness of an object is called weight. By practice time 2, what will use to measure the weight of the following: gram or kilogram? When we use it to gram and kilogram, the light weight and all called gram, and heavy weight and all called kilogram. The measurement of weight, when we say we are finding weight of something, we are actually trying to find how light or how heavy an object is. Light means gram and heavy means kilogram. The formula is 1 kilo is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilo is equal to 1000 grams. Here a child weight is kilogram or gram. The child weight is kilogram. Then B part, the fruits weight measure kilogram because it is a heavy object. Then C part, the book weight is gram or kilogram. The book weight is kilogram or gram. It is a lightweight, so it is denote gram. And then D flour, kilogram or gram. It is a heavy weight. It denote kilogram. And then E part, apple, it is a single object. It's a lightweight, so it denote gram. And then F part, football. It's also lightweight. It is denoted gram. The next one, capacity. So what is meant by capacity? The amount that something can be held, usually in liters. That is called capacity. It is denote small or large. Simply asking, capacity means the total amount of liquid that container can hold. The total amount of liquid that a container can hold.
Quantity of liquids are measured using the standard unit called liter. Can also be written using the symbol L. Quantities of liquid can be measured using milliliter. Milliliter can also be written using the symbol ml. We can say that the unit of milliliter is used to measure small quantities of liquid. And the unit of liter is used to measure large quantities of liquids.
The small quantity are measured milliliter, and then large quantity are measured liter, ml and L. ml means milliliter, and then L means liters. Capacity. Here capacity measures how many people the stadium can hold. Thus, capacity is the measure of the how much an object or container hold. Here, the bottle in the picture is used to fill the jug. Here, the jug can hold around 4 bottles of milk. The milk can in pictures holds 28 bottles of milks. 28 bottles of milk. Thus, the capacity of milk can is more than that of jug. Hence, the milk can has the most capacity among the 3. Then mic practice time 3, second one. Identify the correct unit of measurement. Identify the correct unit measurement. Unit of measurement. That means small quantity and then large quantity. small quantities are called milliliter, and then larger quantity is called liters. Here question number 1, milk in a glass. Milk in a glass. The glass size is called milliliter, that means ml. Then second one, water in a jug. Water in a jug. It's also small quantity, so it is denote ml. And then third one, water in a bathtub. The bathtub is 1 liter, 2 liter, so it is denoted liter. Then fourth one, juice in a jar. That's also milliliter. A small quantities. Then fifth one, medicinal syrup in a spoon. The spoon is a small quantities, so it is denoted milliliter. Then last one, recalled everything. My weight bar, length, weight, capacity. Length, the measurement of an object from one end to other. From one end to other is called length. Then weight, the measurement of heaviness of an object or a person. Then capacity, the total amount of a liquid that a container can hold, that is called capacity. And finally, homework part. My practice 10-3, first one. My practice 10-3, first trauma. Thank you to all.